Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. To see our project title is Team Trust Extended Authentication Mechanism for Vehicular Adhoc Network. The security of vehicular adhoc networks has been receiving significant amount of attention. A number of secure authentication schemes based on asymmetric cryptography have been proposed to prevent such attacks. These schemes are not suitable for highly dynamic environments such as VANET. This still calls for an efficient authentication scheme for VANET. We propose a decentralized lightweight authentication scheme called Trust Extended Authentication Mechanism. The performance of the authentication procedure and only needs a few storage spaces. We can see our project data flow diagram. We can separate two terms, mistrustful and trustful vehicle. If any user first of all log into our procedure within our valid time can be expired to error count occurred to try limit. To valid process to the hello message transferred to LEJ process. General Trust Extended Authentication procedure to secure purpose. Hacker not get to user information. Hello message to transfer OBUJ value. Message from any leakage to transfer. General Trust Extended Authentication procedure we can change the password. To transfer secure communication procedure extended key updated. The user want to extended key lifetime. User details are same, both are equal to login procedure to extend the lifetime of the key. Let us see our project demo is initial procedure for authentication to implementation of OBUJ value. We can see our home pages. To click on the LEJ performance, the initial procedure for authentication to implementation of OBUJ value, we want to select any other registration. I have to select in vehicle registration to show on two combo box, vehicle type and vehicle name. To select in, I have to select in scooter, so vehicle name Suzuki. To enter on our name, password 123. To click on the secure key link button, you can generate in secure key, so 179. To enter on username raja@gmail.com, click on the button in secure key generation. We can generate. To click on the identify when to start the processing display, so Monday October 7 2013. So to click on the next button, so security recommends identifier name, access service and secure key. Enter in identifier name, so my identifier name was raja@gmail.com. Access service 123. To enter and secure key 179. To click on the hash function button, check the your login details same to BA values. Hash function of authentication to implement is BA values same transfer to general authentication not equal to BA value process should be rejected. Compared to BA and hash function both are equal, that value not same in BA process should be terminated. Same both are equal to our login. We can see in message box in your login details same to BA value. So to click on the OK button. To click on the next button, we can see in general authentication procedure. To enter in our secure key 179, we can change in our secure key to generate in unknown value. So to click on the secure key link button, we can generate in implementation of BA value and DA value. To click on the another secure key, so 179. To click on the accept value, to click on the create OBJ functions, we can see in create in M2 value and hash function of N1 value and hash function of BA value, implementation of BA value and concatenation of values. We can create that process. We can see in our file name should be transferred in another applications. Enter on new key 124. So to click on the secure key link button, generate in N2 value. To click on the received LEJ value, to click on the get values button. So we can see in check value successfully empty value both are equal. We give secure key will check correct or not. So secure key doesn't correct, process will reject it. To give correct secure key hash function of M1, AA, DA, M2 value, implementation of transfer to LEJ process. So we can see in hash function value of hash function to transfer in AAD and M1, M2 value from CPU. So we can see in AADJ value and M3 value and M4 value and M5 value. To click on the OK button. So to click on the competition button, we can see in competition functions will check in secret value of N1 and N2 value. To enter in LEJ process get values from CBI to check M2 value both are equal or not. M2 values are equal to move further process, M2 values not equal, process will be rejected. To generate another secure key to implementation of authentication process, LEJ process will transfer values M3 and M4 and AADJ values. To enter secure two key values to correct implementation of general authentication process. To to show on hash function value. To click on the received button, click on the general authentication button. So we can see in value of n2 and function of n2 value and keep value. So that values are transferred to get values check as of n2 values both are equal. To click on the secret key, we can generate n6 next button. To check LEJ process get values of OBJ both are same. To enter an identifier name, my identifier name raja@gmail.com. To enter in secure key 191. So key can generate a new password 787. To check the identifier name, to check the service after that modification attack will occur. Our identifier name and 1 2 3. To click on the check access service button, our password was correct. So compare values are equal. To click on the modification attack, we can generate in hash function of key and check BI value and replace password. To enter in 179, to click on the secure key link button. To generate in key of n5 key button. To click on the receive OBJ value. To find MSJ value implemented of M1 M2 M3 value, we can generate in M1 M2 M3 value. We can see in OBJ value M1 M2 M3 value was transferred in another application. To click on the LEJ process key update, we can see in hash function of n5 value M4 value and M5 value we can generate in new format. So M6 range of values was just transferred in. So to click on the compute key functions, check values are equal M6 value. So LEJ process will check get OBJ values same or not in MK value to show a range of value. LEJ process to transfer M4, M5, M6 values of OBJ to compute function of secure value. User new key updated from old key when completion expired date. Button your new key updated file name -169848334. So your new key was generated. Key was extended in the old key was extended in 5 days. So to click on the trust authentication vehicle button, so to show on graph trust extended 100 meter and 200 meter 300 meter. To show on minibus and regional train, so both are equal. Thank you.